Sugar, sugar, sugar. Here we are again. Because tonight in Mineola, it's going to be you going one-on-one with the WXW heavyweight champ, Mark Silver. And tonight, sugar, I'm making a perfect 4-0 against you. And quite frankly, I'm tired of seeing your fat, mean mug across the ring. So tonight, I put an end to it. I crush your dreams once and for all. I crush your little hopes of becoming a WXW heavyweight champ one more time. And I leave no doubt for you and that little stooge in the back, Ricky Santana, that you are simply not smooth enough, not sweet enough, and definitely not good enough to beat the Outback Silverback. So watch your damn back.